Hey, it's Klaus here with another e-commerce coffee break. This time I want to go quickly talk about email marketing for online stores. Now, some of you might know that I'm a Shopify and Klaviyo partner, so I'm a bit biased in regards of Klaviyo, but the strategies and systems that I'm using can be applied to any other kind of email marketing automation software. So one thing that happens quite often when I talk to new clients of mine is that they tell me they email once a week, maybe once a month, to their customer base, and their focus is not really on email marketing. No, there's a problem there. First of all, email marketing is your best and cheapest way of reaching your customers and probably has the highest return on investment of all marketing channels. It has been seen as sort of old-fashioned by some customers, so they rather go and try to get customers from social marketing, from social channels, Instagram, Twitter, whatsoever, or they pay a ton of money on paid ads like on Facebook or Google. Now, building your own list, there's this old saying, the money lies in the list, or the gold lies in the list, and that's still true. Email marketing still works. It's not getting really out of fashion, and done right, it can give you 25-30% in some cases, even more, on your overall monthly revenue in your store through email marketing. So you need to do it right. So lots of my clients are too shy to email their customers regularly. So that's the reason why they do it very, very seldom. And they think they don't have enough new content that they can provide to their customers. Now, there's a couple of ways around that. First of all, if you have a store that only has a handful of products, I totally understand that you don't want to bother them with the same 5 products in an email every few days. But with the right strategies, you can provide content and still email them. So what I suggest to my clients, my coaching clients, is first of all, have a annual email marketing calendar. So lay out in advance what kind of public holidays or shopping holidays are out there where you want to speak and email to your customers. That might be very specific things that are specific to your industry, to your niche, to your target group. That might be something that's more general, like Mother's Day, Christmas season, holiday season, and all of that. And once you have this laid out, then stick to it. Schedule in advance. A lot of my clients sort of do email marketing out of the bed. So, oh, I should do maybe an email marketing campaign today. And then they struggle to come up with something, or they're just too late. So a day before Father's Day, they come up with, oh, tomorrow's Father's Day, we need to do something. You should start these campaigns weeks in advance so that if it's something meant for a specific holiday, like Mother's Day, will be delivered in time. So for Mother's Day, I would suggest to start like 4 to 6 weeks before Mother's Day with an announcement that Mother's Day is coming up, and you should not really forget about that and order now so that it gets delivered in time. So now you have your annual email marketing calendar. If you browse the interwebs, you will probably find some free themes or templates out there. I provide my clients with a template, annual template that I'm using in my own business. And then when it comes down to a weekly calendar, you should have 3 pillars where you email out to your customers. So that would be, for instance, a product-related email where you really publish one product, and you shouldn't put like 20 different products in one email. Keep them focused on one product with one call to action. That gives you higher results than trying to publish your whole catalog via email to your customers. So one email with one product, one call to action, one email where you build up trust in communicating either customer testimonials, happy customers, reviews, some kind of where you were mentioned in the press, some kind of qualifications that you might have, everything that builds up trust. So that should be the second email in the week. And number 3 can be content related. So that can be a unpacking or unboxing video of a product. That can be how you use your product best, or how your customer can use your product best, or anything that is content related around your products or services. Now you have 3 emails per week. You schedule them out, for instance, on a Tuesday, on a Thursday, and on a Saturday, and you send them out with Klaviyo, specifically on the best time of the day when the opening rate is high. There's algorithms in Klaviyo and other email automation systems that can figure that out after a while, when is the best time in the day for your customers to receive an email, that the likelihood that they open it is high. Now, once you have all of that sorted out, you are ready to go to start your email marketing campaigns. So this is the manual part, and obviously you should have set up your email automations, which are called flows in Klaviyo also as well, and they are more related to a specific action that your customer has done. So basically, it's an abundant cart email, a welcome email, a browse abundant email, or something like that. Once you have done all of this, you should see at least 20% of your overall revenue each month coming in from email marketing, and then over time you should optimize and to see if you can get that up to 25 or 30% of your overall revenue. One thing as a tip to the end of this video is don't hide your unsubscribe link. Make it really big. Reason for that, and I see that in a lot of stores, they have the unsubscribe link somewhere in the footer, and they take sort of make the font very small and a light font, a light gray font, so it's difficult to find and to read. So basically, I try to make it as difficult as possible for their email subscribers to unsubscribe. That's a bad mistake. You should make it actually the biggest link in the footer, so it's easy for them to unsubscribe. The reason for that is you don't want to have people on your list that are not buying from you, that are annoyed by you, that want to get rid of you. Usually what happens, they report you as spam, and that gives a signal to the email marketing or email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, that you will end either up in the spam folder or in the promotional folder, but not in the main inbox. So people will not see your email any longer. So basically a negative effect of what is called deliverability. And the more signals are coming there, the worse your deliverability will become. So that means your emails do not get delivered anymore to your whole list, which is a huge problem. The second part, obviously, you pay for your email marketing automation system, and Klaviyo is not the cheapest system in the world, to be honest, but it's probably the best for e-commerce. But you are paying per subscriber. Now, you have few people in your list that are basically not reacting to your emails anymore. You don't want to have them in your list so that your monthly subscription does not go through the roof. So really focus on making it easy for them to unsubscribe, and also do a lot of list cleaning to keep the deliverability high. All of that gives you a email marketing strategy for your e-commerce store that should give you some very positive outcome on your revenue. And that's basically it, as a few tips from my side on how to use email marketing the right way. If you want to learn more about what I do in my coaching and training program for Shopify and Klaviyo, then drop me a message and I get you all the details. Other than that, comment, like, and share as always. And I see you in the next video. Have a good one.